Hello, this is Sunil Ramakrishna. Here we are talking about the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. In this, basically, we are discussing 20% error, basically education error. As somebody is solving the error, like finishing the people, basically, and that basically 100 plain basically is the example, basically that is 100% correct, or basically that need to check basically. But as per basically we are discussing, basically that seems to be correct, and that basically few people only knows, basically government basically don't know. Government don't know, that is 100% sure, because today government is totally different. Yesterday basically it might possible that some other government might be ruling. So government basically don't know this type of secret thing basically somebody is doing to solve the problem, that is this. And this problem basically still basically is pending. This problem nobody is solving. This is all basically. So this problem basically nobody is solving, right? Basically everybody is solving all problem basically, but this problem nobody is solving. So now see, basically first of all we will discuss, basically we were discussing what, basically we are actually discussing this basically, that is this basically we have already discussed. Now basically that is the point, that is this basically. One person told that in Chennai and Tamil Nadu basically the earthquake happened, right? Basically, sorry, earthquake no, tsunami happened. So one of the person told that basically who is actually doing that basically tsunami here, basically somebody is telling that basically do my task, otherwise basically it will create problem to you all. So this is basically what actually that we have already discussed in the previous video. So one of the person told, first of all asked the USA, are you doing my task? They basically might have told something. So see, the ice tufan basically came. Then basically somebody asked UK and Russia, see the condition of UK and Russia. India section, earthquake happened. Pakistan, I don't know what happened. Then basically Bangladesh, what happened. Then basically Dubai, what happened, that also we know. Some other countries basically what is going to happen, that basically don't know. What he is asking to, what he is going to ask, basically what he is going to ask, that basically don't know nobody. So here basically what we are discussing, here we are discussing that basically somebody is solving this problem, but this problem nobody is solving. So that actually debate is ongoing. So in this basically we are discussing what, basically we are discussing this thing basically, that is where is that thing basically, not this basically, this thing basically. This who is doing actually, somebody is telling me, asking that basically USA, can you please give me something? He is basically telling, sorry, we can't give. So what is the condition of USA? That's see basically now. In UK basically is asking something, can you please give me something basically. In India basically he is asking something basically, but he is not getting. Pakistan also basically might be asking. Bangladesh also he might be asking. Dubai and Sharjah also basically he might be asking. So currently he is asking something basically. Do you know who is asking basically? Just a minute. What I will just show you one video basically. Then you will be clear that who is asking.
हाथुरिया, अयोध्या में बनने वाले राम मंदिर परिसर का विस्तार किया जा रहा है। मंदिर परिसर का विस्तार 70 एकड़ से बढ़ाकर 107 एकड़ तक किया जा रहा है। श्री राम जन्मभूमि तीर्थ क्षेत्र ट्रस्ट द्वारा अयोध्या में 7,285 वर्ग फीट जमीन खरीदी गई है। ये जमीन राम मंदिर की प्रस्तावित जमीन से ही सटी हुई है। ट्रस्ट ने ये जमीन दीप नारायण नाम के स्थानीय निवासी से खरीदी है। ट्रस्ट के एक अधिकारी ने बताया कि उन्हें जमीन के लिए 1,373 वर्ग फीट की दर से 1 करोड़ रुपए का भुगतान किया गया है। इससे अब श्री राम जन्मभूमि तीर्थ क्षेत्र ट्रस्ट के पास मंदिर परिसर का इलाका 100 एकड़ भूमि से भी ज्यादा हो गया है। ट्रस्ट से जुड़े एक व्यक्ति ने बताया कि राम मंदिर ट्रस्ट भगवान श्री राम की जन्मभूमि पर बनने वाले मंदिर परिसर का इलाका बढ़ाया जा रहा है। ट्रस्ट के पास करीब 70 एकड़ जमीन पहले से है और अब इसे 107 एकड़ तक बढ़ाया गया है। यही वजह है कि श्री राम जन्मभूमि तीर्थ क्षेत्र ट्रस्ट ने उत्तर प्रदेश के अयोध्या में 7,285 वर्ग फीट जमीन खरीद ली है। न्यासी अनिल मिश्रा ने बताया कि हमने ये जमीन खरीदी है क्योंकि राम मंदिर के निर्माण के लिए हमें और जगह चाहिए थी। ट्रस्ट की खरीदी गई ये जमीन अशरफी भवन के पास ही स्थित है। गौरतलब है कि साल 2019 के सितंबर महीने में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने राम मंदिर के निर्माण के लिए 70 एकड़ जमीन देने का आदेश दिया था। बाद में ट्रस्ट बना और जमीन उसी की हो गई। बहरहाल ट्रस्ट की तरफ से कहा गया है कि महत्वाकांक्षी योजना के लिए मंदिर की प्रस्तावित जमीन के पास और जमीन खरीदी जा रही है। ऐसा इसलिए कि उस जमीन पर कई अहम परियोजना शुरू होंगी। अयोध्या में मुख्य राम मंदिर का निर्माण 5 एकड़ भूमि पर होगा। इसके अलावा लगभग 100 एकड़ जमीन में म्यूजियम, लाइब्रेरी, योगशाला, फोटो गैलरी बन सकते हैं। वहीं मुख्यमंत्री योगी की तरफ से अयोध्या में राम के नाम पर एक हवाई अड्डा बनाने का भी ऐलान किया गया है। इस खबर में फिलहाल इतना ही। तमाम अपडेट्स के लिए आप बने रहिए वन इंडिया हिंदी के साथ।
So you got it. So somebody is asking basically, please give, please give basically. Few people are basically not asking, they are telling that basically, please give basically. First they will ask basically. This basically is already fired by that group basically. Now basically they are asking USA. That group basically. Just now basically you saw, they are not giving. So what happened to USA? UK, India, Pakistan also basically they are asking. Just see basically. Bangladesh, Dubai, other countries. Rest countries ongoing basically. Rest countries asking is ongoing basically. So this is the way basically of asking. So this is the way basically that is asking. So one of the person told that basically few people basically are solving the error that basically we have also already see basically. Due to that error basically 200 people error basically 50 crore people died. That is basically just rough number basically. Really basically it might be how many are dead basically don't know. Then basically my story also so. Then basically we saw this also 11 parts basically which is divided. Why that is divided? That basically it's easy to understand basically. It's very easy to understand basically. We will discuss this point na 11 parts little bit in detail basically, because this is the most dangerous part basically, because this might end the entire Asia country. That's why. So in next few videos basically we will discuss this all parts basically. That is basically the 11 parts basically. 11 parts basically we are going to discuss in detail basically. And we also saw basically the cyber cell group basically. This also basically we saw. So now basically that point basically which we are going to discuss, that basically this point basically, who is asking basically, that is clear basically, and which way basically is asking, that also we have saw basically. USA please give. USA telling that is sorry basically we can't give. Then basically what happened that everybody knows. Then they asked Russia and UK also. Then everybody knows what happened basically. India also they asked basically, but a few state has not given. Then Pakistan basically I don't know why he is asking. Then basically he asked Bangladesh also basically. Then basically he asked Dubai also basically. Then basically Dubai also. So this was the way basically which he found the way, that was this basically. And whatever tsunami which is going to happen, which has happened in Tamil Nadu, it is going to 100% going to connect to each and every country. That is the time machine of this. This is the time machine somebody has kept of in the base of this data. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit detail about this thing only, how basically he has kept the time trigger.